Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Relief is coming for the creative industry. Uncertainty looms over the creative industry that has been shut down for the past 2 weeks due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Some members of the creative community weighed in on how they have been particularly affected.
We are now basically out of work, but we are thinking positive and trying to work out how do we get to the people who we serve, our clients locally and internationally.
Hotel closed and every single opportunity closing with it as well has had such profound impact. So what we've had to do is to start telling our dancers in terms of how to ensure that the last bit of payment, the last month that you're getting in terms of a salary, how you spend that and spend it wisely.
In response, the Minister of Culture and Entertainment, Olivia Grange, is urging the Jamaican creative community to formalize their businesses in order to benefit from a fiscal stimulus package.
Our government has announced the largest fiscal stimulus package in our country's history to deal with the effects of COVID-19. It is important that members of the entertainment community and the larger creative sectors benefit from this. So I urge you to use this time to formalize your businesses and be ready to benefit from the measures introduced by government.
Sectors in the creative economy are making a significant contribution to our national economy, contributing to nearly 5% of GDP and generating between 15 and 20 million US dollars in revenue each year. Those who can benefit include all practitioners of the cultural and creative industries covering film, fashion, visual and the performing arts, dance and music. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.